I have some homework to do. Welcome to the Drunk Linux User. I'm Len. I am the Drunk Linux User. And a program that I have tried on several occasions has been updated. The reason that I haven't been using it is primarily it has not worked well for me in the past, but there's just something about it that makes me keep wanting to try it all the time. What is this new update? It's for Kdenlive. It is a video editor. It is a non-linear video editor. And it is packed with all kinds of features, and currently I do use Shotcut. I've gotten very used to it. It has a lot of features, a lot of bells and whistles. There are certain things that Kdenlive have that Shotcut doesn't, and get over here to explain some of that. Subtitles is one of the things that Kdenlive can do, and now they've improved that so that you can change the size and the location of the subtitle. They've added some new effects and compositions. They use Glaxnimate integration, which is a vector type import thing. I don't think I'll be using that very much, but it's available, and that's something Shotcut recently imported into their software as well. You have export guides as chapters, so you can actually use this with YouTube so that you can put in the descriptions and put in your YouTube channel where certain parts of videos that the viewer might want to just skip ahead to can just go to that particular location. And that's something Shotcut doesn't have. This is something that Shotcut recently incorporated into theirs as well, audio recording within the video editor, which is really cool. This one actually, I think, may be something I would use more in Kdenlive than I would use in Shotcut. And the reason that I'm saying that is it looks like everything is right there integrated. There's not going to be something that really flies out and causes you to wonder, am I in the right place or not? And I think Shotcut's okay, but I think this new Kdenlive is going to be much better. They've done some tweaking to the user interface. Let's see, some of the other fixes. I'll leave the links up here so that you can take a look at it, and you can also see some of the comments listed below here. Also, if you're not getting what you need here on the Kdenlive website, I do suggest going to, for example, the Reddit, the subreddit for Kdenlive, or again, Facebook. There are different, maybe even your own distribution has a forum about software, and you can put your questions in there. Anyway, I have some homework because I have installed this guy in here. Let's go ahead and move these down. And I use the app image. And I use the app image primarily because I have noticed before, and I mentioned this, I'm going to try to scale this down so you can see the window a little bit better. All right, that's fair. When I mentioned before that some PPAs don't have certain functionalities in them that you'll find in apps, snaps, or Flatpaks, Kdenlive was what I had in mind. The PPA that I used previously didn't have the motion tracking module in it, which you'll find here in an app image or the Flatpak. I'm going to guess Snap, but I don't use Snap, so that's just a guess. But I really want to learn this, so I'm going to be doing some homework. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to be on tomorrow or make another video tomorrow. I will, but it will be done in Shotcut, and I will let you guys know when I come up with my first video edit in Kdenlive. And so when you go through my scrolling credits at the end, you may notice that it changes from Shotcut to Kdenlive. Maybe not. I don't know. going to give it a shot though. I think it's worth giving a try. If you've been using Kdenlive for a while anyway, you're probably going to just absolutely love some of the changes that they've put into this. And I understand that the next version of Kdenlive is going to have, well, the 23 point whatever it's going to be, is going to have a pretty significant change to the user interface. And that's what I've read, but I haven't seen any pictures of that just yet. So I have some homework to do, and we're going to go ahead and just cut this one short. But I'm excited about this. I know, geeky guy. But it's who I am, all right? So let's leave this with our words of wisdom. Don't drive drunk. Don't drink and drive. Don't go to Amazon, eBay, or use MS Edge shopping all buzzed up thinking you're going to buy the latest, greatest, and coolest stuff, because you're probably not. And in the meantime, bottoms up. Later, dudes.